वह मुझे पथभ्रष्ट करता है। He misleads me. वह मुझे पथभ्रष्ट करता है। He misleads me. वह दिन रात पढ़ता है। He reads day and night. वह दिन रात पढ़ता है। He reads day and night. जहाँ तक मैं जानता हूँ वह एक अच्छा आदमी है। He is a good guy as far as I know. He is a good guy as far as I know. एक आदमी सड़क के पार खड़ा था। There was a man standing across the road. एक आदमी सड़क के पार खड़ा था। There was a man standing across the road. वह एक नंबर की चुगलखोर है। She is a backbiter of first order. She is a backbiter of first order. तुम जो भी कहते हो वह हमेशा भरोसा कर लेता है। Whatever you say, he always believes. Whatever you say, he always believes. मैंने तुम्हें पहले कहीं देखा है। I have seen you somewhere before. I have seen you somewhere before. यह नोट चल जाएगा। This note will do. यह नोट चल जाएगा। This note will do. यह नोट फटा हुआ है। This note is torn. यह नोट फटा हुआ है। This note is torn. उसका प्रदर्शन उम्मीद के मुताबिक नहीं है। His performance is not up to the mark. His performance is not up to the mark. लोग मेरे चारों ओर थे फिर भी मैं तन्हा था। People were there around me, yet I was lonely. लोग मेरे चारों ओर थे फिर भी मैं तन्हा था। People were there around me, yet I was lonely. तुम आस पास ही रहना, मुझे तुम्हारी ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है। You stick around, I may need you. You stick around, I may need you. ये आप पर निर्भर है कि आप जाएं या नहीं। It's up to you whether you go or not. It's up to you whether you go or not. वह ऐसी बातें करता है मानो वह प्रधानमंत्री हो। He talks as if he were the Prime Minister. He talks as if he were the Prime Minister. वह ऐसे चल रहा था जैसे कि वह शराबी हो। He was walking as if he were drunkard. He was walking as if he were drunkard. झारखंड के दूसरे शहरों की तुलना में जमशेदपुर अच्छा है। Jamshedpur is better as compared with other cities of Jharkhand. Jamshedpur is better as compared with other cities of Jharkhand. क्या आप मेरे लिए थोड़ा समय निकाल सकते हैं? Can you please spare some time for me? Can you please spare some time for me? मैं ये रोज रोज खाकर थक गया हूँ। I am fed up of eating it daily. I am fed up of eating it daily. उसने कुल की नाक कटवा दी। He has brought a distance to the family. He has brought a distance to the family. मैं अपनी मर्जी की मालिक हूँ। I am the master of my own will. I am the master of my own will. मैं दूसरों के इशारे पर नहीं चल सकती। I cannot follow the instruction of others. I cannot follow the instruction of others. मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं हूँ। I am not a puppet. मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं हूँ। I am not a puppet. जिसे गर्मी लग रही है वह बाहर चला जाए। The one who is feeling hot should go outside. The one who is feeling hot should go outside. लगता है यह मेंढक की आवाज़ है। It seems to be the sound of frog. It seems to be the sound of frog. सारे चॉकलेट्स मैं खाऊंगा. I will eat all the chocolates. I will eat all the chocolates. मैं चाह कर भी इसे नहीं बदल सकता. I can't change it even if I want to. I can't change it even if I want to. तुमने हमेशा मेरी मदद की है. You have always helped me. You have always helped me. कम से कम आपको मुझसे एक बार तो पूछना चाहिए. You should have asked me at least once. You should have asked me at least once. अब मैं ऐसी गलती दोबारा नहीं करूँगा. Now I will not make such mistake again. Now I will not make such mistake again. तुम्हारे आँख लाल भी हो गए हैं. Your eyes are turned red too. Your eyes are turned red too. अपने आँख को ठंडे पानी से धो लो. Wash your eye with cold water. Wash your eye with cold water. मैं ऊपर आपका इंतज़ार कर रहा था. I was waiting for you upstairs. I was waiting for you upstairs. मुझे बोलने का एक मौका तो दीजिए. At least give me a chance to speak. At least give me a chance to speak. आज मुझे पानी से ही अपना पेट भरना होगा. Today I have to fill my stomach with water only. Today I have to fill my stomach with water only. मुझे इस मामले में मत घसीटो. Do not drag me into this matter. Do not drag me into this matter. वह घर का कामकाज कर रही थी. She was doing household chores. She was doing household chores. गाड़ी पार करना तो और भी मुश्किल है. It is even more difficult to cross the vehicle. It is even more difficult to cross the vehicle. हर दिन कसरत भी करना चाहिए. Exercise should be done every day. Exercise should be done every day. तुम हमेशा मुझे बीच में टोकते हो. You always interrupt me. You always interrupt me. आज भी मुझे एक जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए जाना है. Today also I have to go for a job interview. Today also I have to go for a job interview. उसे छोटी-छोटी बातों में गुस्सा आ जाता है. He gets angry in small things. बंदर बहुत तेजी से पेड़ पर चढ़ गया. The monkey climbed on the tree very fast. The monkey climbed on the tree very fast. हम उसकी बातों में इतनी आसानी से नहीं आ सकते. We cannot fall for his words so easily. We cannot fall for his words so easily. तुम्हें किसी बात का असर नहीं होता. You are not affected by anything. You are not affected by anything. क्या आपने मेरा चार्जर देखा है? Have you seen my charger? Have you seen my charger? समय रहते इसे पूरा करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. It is very important to complete it in time. It is very important to complete it in time. हर चीज़ में किस्मत को दोष नहीं देना चाहिए. Luck should not be blamed for everything. Luck should not be blamed for everything. वापस अपने कमरे में जाओ. Go back to your room. वापस अपने कमरे में जाओ. Go back to your room. मैं उसे सरप्राइज देना चाहता हूँ. I want to surprise her. I want to surprise her. अब जो होगा उसके जिम्मेदार तुम होगे. You will be responsible for what happens now. You will be responsible for what happens now. मैं अपनी तारीफ नहीं कर रही हूँ. I am not praising myself. I am not praising myself. उसके चेहरे पर हमेशा मुस्कुराहट होती है. She always has a smile on his face. She always has a smile on his face. तुमने मेरा सर फक्र से ऊंचा कर दिया. You make me proud. You make me proud. पैसे कमाने में बहुत मेहनत लगता है. It takes a lot of hard work to earn money. It takes a lot of hard work to earn money. कोई अगर मगर नहीं, मुझे उससे मिलना है. No ifs and buts, I want to meet him. No ifs and buts, I want to meet him. कोई मेरे साथ ऐसा कैसे कर सकता है? How could someone do this to me? How could someone do this to me? हर साल इसका सामना करना पड़ता है. It has to be faced every year. It has to be faced every year. जितना चाहो उतना वक्त लो. Take as much time as you want. Take as much time as you want. बिजली भी चमक रही है. Lightning is also shining. बिजली भी चमक रही है. Lightning is also shining. लेकिन यहाँ आसपास कोई भी जिम नहीं है. But there is no gym around here. But there is no gym around here. ये सब तुम्हारे दिमाग का वहम है. This is all a figment of your mind. This is all a figment of your mind. सभी ने मुझे बहुत बधाइयाँ दी. Everyone congratulated me a lot. Everyone congratulated me a lot. तुरंत उसके आंसू गिरने शुरू हो जाते हैं. Immediately her tears start falling. Immediately her tears start falling. तुम मेरी बातों को कान खोल कर सुन लो. You listen to my words with your ears open. You listen to my words with your ears open. मुझे भी तुमसे बात करने का कोई शौक नहीं है. I am also not interested in talking to you. I am also not interested in talking to you. तुम्हें इतना गुस्सा किस बात का है? What are you so angry about? What are you so angry about? तुम फोन में क्या देखते रहते हो? What do you keep watching on the phone? What do you keep watching on the phone? वो अपने दोस्तों के साथ सैर पर गया है. He has gone for a walk with his friends. He has gone for a walk with his friends. तुम बात को इतना क्यों घुमा रहे हो? Why are you twisting things so much? Why are you twisting things so much? इसका मतलब जरूर कोई बात है. It definitely means something. It definitely means something. बाहर तो कोई अनजान शख्स खड़ा है. Some unknown person is standing outside. Some unknown person is standing outside. अगली बार से ऐसा कुछ ऑफर रहा तो मुझे भी बताना. Let me know if there is any such offer from next time. Let me know if there is any such offer from next time. गीले तौलिए को सोफे पर किसने रखा है? Who has put the wet towel on the couch? Who has put the wet towel on the couch? बिस्तर पर कपड़े मत फैलाओ. Don't spread clothes on the bed. Don't spread clothes on the bed. शर्ट पर दाग कैसे लग गया? How did the shirt get stained? How did the shirt get stained? सिर्फ एक मैं ही हूँ जिसे तुम पर भरोसा है. I am the only one who trusts you. I am the only one who trusts you. आज मैं वजह बताऊंगा. I will tell the reason today. आज मैं वजह बताऊंगा. I will tell the reason today. वो और क्या कर सकता है? What else can he do? वो और क्या कर सकता है? What else can he do? आपको इसकी लत है. You are addicted to it. आपको इसकी लत है. You are addicted to it. क्या हुआ जवाब दो. Tell me what happened. क्या हुआ जवाब दो. Tell me what happened. आपका खाना ठंडा हो रहा है. Your food is getting cold. आपका खाना ठंडा हो रहा है. Your food is getting cold. मैं तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रहा था. I was thinking about you. I was thinking about you. हम उसके भरोसे बैठ नहीं सकते. We can't depend on him to help. We can't depend on him to help. बताओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए. Tell me what you want. बताओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए. Tell me what you want. वो मेरे पास पैसे के लिए आया था. He had come to me for money. He had come to me for money. तुम अब तक उनसे नहीं मिले क्या? Didn't you meet him yet? Didn't you meet him yet? उसने अभी तक अपना होमवर्क नहीं किया क्या? Didn't he do his homework yet? Didn't he do his homework yet? तुमने जो भी कहा गलत है. Whatever you said is wrong. Whatever you said is wrong. तुम सचमुच बहुत अलग हो. You are really very different. You are really very different. तो मैं अब चला जाऊंगा. So I will leave now. तो मैं अब चला जाऊंगा. So I will leave now. मुझे यहीं से ऑटो मिल जाएगी. I will get an auto from here. I will get an auto from here. मुझे लगता है आपको बारिश में भीगने का बहुत शौक है. I think you like a lot getting drenched in the rain. I think you like a lot getting drenched in the rain. क्योंकि आपका छाता अभी भी मेरे कार में है. Because your umbrella is still in my car. Because your umbrella is still in my car. वैसे बारिश में चाय पीने का अपना ही मजा है. By the way, having tea in the rain has its own feel. By the way, having tea in the rain has its own feel. गाना गाने का अपना ही मजा है. Singing songs has its own feel. Singing songs has its own feel. अंग्रेजी बोलने का अपना ही मजा है. Speaking English has its own feel. Speaking English has its own feel. मैं हर बात में मजाक नहीं करना चाहता. I don't want to joke about everything. I don't want to joke about everything. भाई की जॉब जाने वाली थी आज. Brother was about to leave his job today. Brother was about to leave his job today. ठीक है, इसके लिए मैं अपने भाई से बात कर लूँगी. Okay, for this I will talk to my brother. Okay, for this, I will talk to my brother. मैं उन्हें इस हाल में नहीं देख सकता. I can't see him in this condition. I can't see him in this condition. तुम बहुत समझदार हो. You are very sensible. You are very sensible. और उसको दुनियादारी की समझ नहीं है. And she don't yet understand the worldness. And she don't yet understand the worldness. क्योंकि मेरे ऊपर जिम्मेदारियां हैं. Because I have responsibilities. Because I have responsibilities. मुझे लगता है अब मुझे निकलना चाहिए. I think I should leave now. I think I should leave now. क्या हम लोग अंदर आ सकते हैं? May we come inside? क्या हम लोग अंदर आ सकते हैं? May we come inside? आप उसे समझा नहीं सके क्या? Couldn't you explain to him? Couldn't you explain to him? अपने लिए ढूंढो किसी को. Find someone for yourself. Find someone for yourself. दूसरों का छोड़ो. Forget about the others. दूसरों का छोड़ो. Forget about the others. अगर बारिश में खड़े होंगे तो भीग जाओगे. If you stand in the rain, you get wet. If you stand in the rain, you get wet. अगर बर्फ पिघलेगी तो पानी बन जाएगी. If ice melts, it becomes water. If ice melts, it becomes water. वह अभी भी गुस्से में है. He is still angry. वह अभी भी गुस्से में है. He is still angry. मुझे रोज हिचकियाँ आती है. I hiccup every day. मुझे रोज हिचकियाँ आती है. I hiccup every day. इतना मेरे लिए काफ़ी है. That's enough for me. इतना मेरे लिए काफ़ी है. That's enough for me. वास्तव में उसने क्या कहा था? What did she actually say? What did she actually say? मैं आपको परेशान नहीं करना चाहता हूँ. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. वह बहुत चिड़चिड़ा है. He is very short-tempered man. He is very short-tempered man. वह बहुत शक्की मिजाज आदमी है. He is very suspicious man. He is very suspicious man. वह बहुत खुश मिजाज आदमी है. He is very jovial man. He is very jovial man. वह बहुत जालसाज आदमी है. He is very deceitful man. He is very deceitful man. वो मेरे पड़ोस में रहता है. He lives in my neighborhood. वो मेरे पड़ोस में रहता है. He lives in my neighborhood. वो अकेलापन महसूस करता है. He feels lonely. वो अकेलापन महसूस करता है. He feels lonely. वो अमीर लगता है. He seems to be rich. वो अमीर लगता है. He seems to be rich. वो बड़ी बुरी हालत में है. He is in a bad state. वो बड़ी बुरी हालत में है. He is in a bad state. वो जल्द ही ठीक हो जाएगा. He will be get well soon. He will be get well soon. उसने पैसे के लिए शादी की. He married for money. He married for money. मैंने गड़बड़ कर दी. I screwed up. मैंने गड़बड़ कर दी. I screwed up. अगर ऐसा चलता रहा तो What if it goes on? अगर ऐसा चलता रहा तो What if it goes on? मेरा दोस्त गलत फहमी में है. My friend is in misconception. My friend is in misconception. मैं गहरी सोच में बैठा हूँ. I am sitting in pensive mood. I am sitting in pensive mood. पैसा मेरे लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखता. Money means nothing to me. Money means nothing to me. तुम्हारे लिए समय के कोई मायने नहीं. Time means nothing to you. Time means nothing to you. मैं एक मासूम की जिंदगी बचाना चाहता हूँ. I want to save an innocent's life. I want to save an innocent's life. आज मैं थका थका महसूस कर रहा हूँ. Today I am feeling tired and exhausted. Today I am feeling tired and exhausted. हम हर रोज नई चीजें सीखते हैं. We learn new things every day. We learn new things every day. तुम एकदम ठीक बोल रहे हो. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. वह मुझे पीटने के चक्कर में यहाँ आया. He came here to beat me. He came here to beat me. इसमें मेरा कोई हाथ नहीं है. I am not involved in this. I am not involved in this. ऊपर के रूम से बोतल लेकर आओ. Bring the bottle from the upstairs room. Bring the bottle from the upstairs room. मैं क्लास में सेकंड आता हूँ. I stand second in class. I stand second in class. आपने जानबूझकर मेरा दिल दुखाया. You knowingly hurt me. You knowingly hurt me. मैं उसको पकड़ने के चक्कर में हूँ. I am planning to catch him. I am planning to catch him. हम टैक्सी कर लेंगे. We will hire a taxi. हम टैक्सी कर लेंगे. We will hire a taxi. मैं खुश हो रहा हूँ. I am getting happy. मैं खुश हो रहा हूँ. I am getting happy. मेरी तरफ से सॉरी बोल देना उसको. Say sorry to her on my behalf. Say sorry to her on my behalf. पहले मेरा काम पूरा करो. Finish my work first. पहले मेरा काम पूरा करो. Finish my work first. इसे अपना ही घर समझो. Consider it your own home. Consider it your own home. हमने तो अच्छा काम किया है. We have done a good job. हमने तो अच्छा काम किया है. We have done a good job. अंदर चलकर बात करते हैं. Let's go inside and talk. Let's go inside and talk. मैं इसे नहीं समझा सकता. I can't explain him. मैं इसे नहीं समझा सकता. I can't explain him. मैं आप ही के पास आ रही थी. I was coming to you. I was coming to you. हमें कुछ नहीं मिला. We didn't get anything. हमें कुछ नहीं मिला. We didn't get anything. मैं उसे कुछ नहीं होने दूंगा. I won't let anything happen to him. I won't let anything happen to him. मुझे यह सब अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था. I was not liking all this. I was not liking all this. पता नहीं मेरे साथ यह सब क्या हो रहा है. Don't know what is happening with me. Don't know what is happening with me. वहाँ मेरी चर्चा हो रही थी. I was being discussed there. I was being discussed there. आप मेरी जगह पर होते तो आप क्या करते? If you were in my place, what would you do? If you were in my place, what would you do? मेरे साथ कभी कभी ऐसा होता है। It happens to me sometimes. It happens to me sometimes. वह मेरे दूर के चाचा लगते हैं। He seems to be my distant uncle. He seems to be my distant uncle. मुझे नहीं याद कि आगे क्या हुआ था। I don't remember what happened next. I don't remember what happened next. तुम हकलाते हो? Do you stammer? तुम हकलाते हो? Do you stammer? उनका जितना मैं शुक्रिया करूं कम है। I can't thank them enough. I can't thank them enough. कितने अच्छे आदमी थे वो। He was such a nice person. He was such a nice person. मुझ में और हिम्मत नहीं है। I don't have any more courage. I don't have any more courage. तुमने मुझे 1 रुपया कम दिया है। You have given me 1 rupee short. You have given me 1 rupee short. वह नौकरी के लिए मारा मारा फिरता रहा। He kept looking for a job. He kept looking for a job. मुझे नमकीन चीज़ें खाना ज़्यादा पसंद है। I like to eat salty things more. I like to eat salty things more. तुम्हारा डरना जायज़ है। Your fear is justified. Your fear is justified. इतना घमंड सही नहीं है। Such arrogance is not good. Such arrogance is not good. उसकी दुकान बंद हो सकती है। His shop may be closed. His shop may be closed. मेरी नींद अचानक टूट गई। My sleep was suddenly interrupted. मेरी नींद अचानक टूट गई। My sleep was suddenly interrupted. ज़्यादा देर तक जागना मत। Don't stay up too late. Don't stay up too late. मैं अपनी मर्जी की मालिक हूँ। I am the master of my own will. I am the master of my own will. मैं आपकी बात नहीं सुनूंगी। I will not listen to you. मैं आपकी बात नहीं सुनूंगी। I will not listen to you. मुझे अपना फ़ोन चार्ज करना है। I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. दिन प्रतिदिन तापमान घटता जा रहा है। Temperature is decreasing day by day. Temperature is decreasing day by day. मैंने अपनी यात्रा स्थगित कर दी। I postponed my trip. I postponed my trip. क्या करूं मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है। What to do? I am not getting. What to do? I am not getting. अभी मुझे बस आराम करना है। I just want to take rest right now. I just want to take rest right now. अब मैं तुम्हें कैसे यकीन दिलाऊं? How do I make you believe now? How do I make you believe now?